Hello, welcome to my channel Kartick at the Reticle 7. So friends, I hope all are you are fine. But in the COVID situation, after the COVID situation, most of the people lost their job. So I provided a daily one video that the people can earn more money from work from home or from your home. So friends, let's go. Today I am showing a video that you can earn more money by online without doing nothing. Today I'm show an website that you can daily upload one articles or perform their tasks and get paid for this, but you have don't any investment, you have don't need any investment, any knowledge, any skill. So friend, let's go. Today I am talking a website that is known as the Money Pantry. It is a money pantry. It is an website that the people comes here and upload their articles and their talks and their advice is and get paid from this site. Get paid from this site. Yeah, so here you can see here the welcome to the money pantry. Simple solution is provided in the simple solution and earn and save money from this site. It is an absolutely legit it site. You can see here, if you can earn and save your money, the money pantry will find it for you. You can earn also crypto from this site. So basically, I show you that the most income method, most income strategies from this site. I show you which is the best topic that you choose and work from your home from through this money pant and get on from this site. So you can see here the 28 legit way to earn money online, and 150 legitimate work from home job hiring now. These are the trending job. They are the hiring because most of the famous company upload their services, their job in this money 20 website, and people come in this website and complete their tasks and get paid for this job. And 70 way to college student to make money, and 51 this is a make money, but this, how to save the money was some hack to save money. 30 best cashback site you can should not shop without. 19 place to get discount and gift card up to 90% offer. And Favis at 100 awesome site you get free books, and 150 place to get your birthday Favis, and for 40 legit product testing companies to get free product. These sites provide all of us that you need. So friends, today I am talking about the make money, how to make money from this site money pantry. So friends, the most of the people earn money in this site. You can perform your tasks and you can link your bank account. They directly send the money from your bank account, and you can just withdraw from this account. So friends, let's go. Come to the home page and let's go. You can see here the 81 digit way to earn money. I can click here. You can see here, mm, mm, there are so many jobs are available in now. So friends, at the end of the bottom you can see a hill save the future of Google. That is an site how to help save the future of the Google. And for this you can pay it. All our formalities are given in this description, and you make money online with Swagbuck and InstaGC. And also there you can see get paid $50 to install an app. If you installed an app you can paid $50 without doing nothing. And you just mobile, every person have a mobile, you just install these apps and you get 50%, $50. You can click here. I show you which type of the app are available in this site. MCFE website. You go to the sign in and go visit anywhere. And this sorry, actually this site is not available for this site. Click back to this site and watch video by inbox dollars, and you can on and give feedback on this video. Box Pop Me is a market research company that brand and company get feedback. These are the incoming method on reward for watching trivia. How to do all are they given in this description. And on cash buying and selling used in books, sculptor, etc. You can click back and you can go to the legit 150 legit and work from home job at the later at the bottom. The translation job, the AB global job, an unlabeled job, 1 hour translation. If you translate 1 hour and you get it from this site. And thrust job, data entry jobs, axiom data entry solution. I saw you 1 hour translation job. You can see here which type of the translation job are given to you. You become a translator, but in this site there are the so many job are available, and you can translate this type of and you can or create an account, pass your online exhibitor, receive certificate, start working, get paid and get paid. In this way, they provide all our paths for this and to get paid. So friends, back to this site. Mm, you can see, you can research this site carefully and timely. You can mm, get your job on this site. There are the so many job are available. You just look at this site and earn from this site. And 70 ways to college student to make money. This is an Mozilla requirement in the college student. And sell your student game ticket, and sell your video game account, sell your essay, sell old textbook book, and sell on Amazon, sell on eBay, sell on Etsy.com, sell your old and unused clothes. All are, if you click here and get what you do. Sale on Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is an legit website without doing nothing. There are various jobs are available in this Fiverr.com. I also make a video on the Fiverr.com. You go to this video and which type of the job offer are available in this Fiverr.com. You given sell your picture, sell your picture, click here and sell your picture and publish your Kindle ebook and click here and publish and sell course udemy.com. There are the so many jobs available in this market. Mm, so money pantry given opportunity to income from online. I also show you one of the best website that you, if you able to read article, you and upload in this site and get paid for this. The name of the site is the Textbooker. Textbooker is a site ready for the enthusiastic user, and we deliver the right content. If you are good writers, you have a content, you can upload on this site and you get paid for this. So friends, I can see here, you click here for this, I write a content and how much money you earn from this site. There is available on this site. First to show write a textbooks and how to textbook or work, and how the payment is available, and which type of the resources are available from this site. If you payment, if you use more information about the payment, you can see here your article. You can see here the quality to the 2-star quality. Your article is written by the 1000 word, you can pay $7. Your if your article 150 or 60 word, you can get $11. If your articles at the 12,000 word, you get $48 per article. If your article sold 1000 you can get 40 $84,000 just per one article. If you click quality 3, quality 4, quality 5 at the 12,000 article, you get $600. This is an amazing website. If you have any article, you can upload on this site and you get paid. But most of the people know how to write article, how to maintain the proper format of the article. So I give you an website. I also tell you an website that you can take the article from this website and upload it in this textbooker site, and you get for this. The site is known as the free PLR article. PLR mean public level right, or this is mean the author give you right to sell, to reuse, to edit their article. Private level right. Private level right, you can see, can be given away, can be packaged, can be offered a bonus, can be edited completely, can be used, can be resale. You can take the article and you can upload in this textbooker site, and you get paid from this textbooker. The article is given from the, there is the PLR article, all of the PLR article all are you used for your purposes. This article, AdSense, advertising, affiliating, marketing, after school, all type of the articles are here present here. You can click here and download your article and upload in your textbook booker.com, and you get fit for this. So thank you. If you want to more income, more money from this site, you can subscribe my channel. I daily upload a video that the people earn money from this website. So thank you friend, for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel.